Conway's Game of Life in Python. First install this packages in command prompt. Good job. Now write this code into your Python file or copy it from my GitHub in my bio. Feel free to pause the video. An admin patch you just made Conway's Game of Life Simulator in Python. Follow for more and GitHub link in my bio.